In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Canon PIXMA MG2525 or 2522 printer in case you're having issues with it and whatnot. This can solve many problems. We have the buttons on the left side. Make sure that the printer is turned off, so no lights is blinking here. There's no lights. This means the power is off. Keep press on the stop button with one finger and keep press on the power button during 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release the power button and press it again once the light starts blinking. Now release the stop button and press it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th time keep it pushed. This light should blink, and after 5 seconds of keeping it like this, release everything. The light here, the power light, will blink and the printer will turn off by itself. You just need to power it on again and start using it. The printer will make some noises. This is perfectly normal, and hopefully your problem will be solved. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, type a comment down below if you have other solutions for different problems with these printers. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.